To be honest, there are no surprises in the Note 14 series. Compared to the Note 13 series, you can't say that there are no upgrades, but they are all minor. To summarize it in 6 words, it's a bigger battery, more durability, and better camera. But is it worth buying? Yes, definitely. It's just less special. If you just need a phone that will be with you for a long time, then you can keep watching to see if this one is right for you. If you're interested in these 2 Note 14 phones, don't forget to check out the links below the video. Since the Note 13 Pro Plus isn't sold globally, buying them on GeekWills might be your only chance to get them. We got the chance to unbox the Note 14 Pro and Pro Plus. Since the accessories for both phones are almost identical, I'll use this Pro Plus as an example. As before, the card pin, manual, and phone case are all in a small box. The phone case is not transparent, so it won't turn yellow. Smart decision. Unfortunately, the charging cable is still USB A to C, no change there. The charger for this Pro Plus version is 90 watts, while the Pro version is 45 watts, which is the only difference between the 2 phones in terms of accessories. Like the Note 13 series, both phones in the Note 14 series look good. The white version in particular has a special texture on the back cover, making it my most recommended colorway. The plastic bezel still let us down, but it's a much better design than its brother, the Turbo series. After all, the Turbo 3 even had a plastic back panel. All in all, at this price point, the Note 14 series is good enough, no mistakes made here. With the Note 14 Pro and Pro Plus, the biggest selling points are drop-proof and waterproof. They are both IP68 certified and both use Corning Gorilla Victus 2 as the screen protection glass. Well, I can't drop this phone right now to prove how sturdy it is, as we will have to do a full review for it. But Redmi is offering a 1-year water damage warranty, a back cover warranty, a screen warranty, and even a 5-year battery warranty for those who are the first to buy both phones. So I have the reason to believe that this phone will be sturdy. You should have noticed that rarely even the Pro uses a curved screen this time around, and it's got an increase in brightness over its predecessor. Now you don't have to agonize over which one to pick based on the screen. The bad news though is that the curved screens aren't everyone's cup of tea, and the screen might not be as good as it seems. Not just because it's barely upgraded except for the brightness, but it can be greenish when viewed from the side. That's probably one of the reasons it's so cheap. So how big is the difference between the Pro and Pro Plus? First of all, the Pro Plus processor is a Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. It's a new processor, but performance-wise, it's not much different from its predecessor. The Pro's processor is a Dimensity 7300 Ultra, which is a bit weaker than the Note 13 Pro Plus and Note 14 Pro Plus. The camera is definitely stronger without a doubt, and the Pro Plus has a 2.5x telephoto camera, so those who like to take pictures should definitely pick this one. Drop-proof is better on the Pro Plus, as even the back is Corning Gorilla Glass. Lastly, it's all about charging and battery. The Pro Plus is way ahead, so it's actually recommended to get the Pro Plus if you have a bigger budget. When I watched the launch event, I felt that Redmi Note 14 series is designed for outdoor workers. Drop-proof, waterproof, with a good camera, isn't that what they need? We have reviewed many rugged phones, but none of them are just as refined as the Note 14 Pro Plus. So if you have a butterfinger, the Note 14 series would be a good choice. Don't forget to check GeekWills where the phone is selling on. I'm Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.